Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the ultimate LPW. Yes guys, this is the Crave Cook lemon pepper chicken wings. Yes honey, now y'all don't think that I was gonna let summer slip away without start making me some amazing fried chicken that you guys are going to make and enjoy. All right, so let's put this together. So since I work, I have to prioritize myself. So I prep ahead of time. So there I'm adding my chicken wings to the brine, which is just lemon pepper, sugar, and salt. All right, so I'm doing this overnight. All right, so now I am going to remove this and place this on my baking rack right there. You can let it air dry, or I'm going to pat dry this. All right. The reason I brine it is because I love the subtle flavor of the lemon when you bite into the chicken. It's not like sharp, but it's just beautiful and the flavor is just right. All right, so even though I do that, I still will add just a little bit more of the lemon pepper seasoning directly on the chicken. Then I'm going in with some garlic and some onion powder, some black pepper, and marinate everything well. Then we are going to add some other seasoning to our dredging flour. Mix that well. And everything that I'm using, guys, will be in the description box. This chicken is so flavorful. So we're going to lightly coat our chicken with the flour because it's going to be crispy on the outside. I don't like my chicken wing has like a lot of batter. However, I did do some with batter, but this one is just lightly floured. That is how I love my lemon pepper chicken. I'll let it sit for about 5 minutes while I preheat my oil at about 280 degrees. And then we are going to fry until nice and golden brown for about 6 to 7 minutes. All right, you can regulate your stove. Once the chicken floats to the top, it's done. Perfection. All right, so now we're going on to our lemon butter sauce. Here I just added some butter and lemon juice, and everything that I used to make this amazing sauce will be in the description box. Then you can put as little or as much, or you can just use it as a dipping sauce for the chicken wings. All right, absolutely amazing toss. And guess what, guys? This was eaten with some my son's favorite. It is the cilantro lime rice. Oh my gosh, heavenly. So this was basically, let me see, dinner actually took me about 40 minutes. All right, beautiful. And I know your family and friends are going to definitely love this one. So if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, and I see you guys in the next video. Make sure to check out the link for my amazing cilantro lime rice, which I will drop soon. Love you guys. See y'all in the next video. Bye bye.